What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? This is a boy, soon to be a favorite YouTuber. What I got before you today is a backplate for the Asus ROG Ally. This one is a mud case and handheld DIY. So as I show you right here, this is the box that it comes in right here. Handheld DIY, mud case for ROG Ally. Let us show you what's inside the box. As you can see, there's going to be the nice cardboard. And this is the backplate. They got three different colors. They got translucent, purple, and white. So let's put it to the side. So I take it out right here. I got the translucent right here, and this is what it looks like. Very nice and simple. Like it very much. You got a kickstand, and it's very, whoa, it's very stiff. I like that. It ain't loose and wobbly. This is very firm. This is going to keep your ROG Ally in place for a while. And you got the sticker right here, handheld DIY, and it comes with the two vents right here, so you get the maximum cooling for your ROG Ally. Same set of screws, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, and it comes right here for your trigger buttons. So you gotta put the trigger buttons in here. You come with some little square little paddings right here, whatever they call them. And right here is very interesting. Right here, this is the extra heat plate, or I think I'll call it right, I'm not sure, yeah. Right here, I'm going to put a very thick thermal pad to help with the cooling of the ROG Ally. Very simple stuff. And in the box, comes with only screws, 6 screws, just like the ROG Ally. It comes with a screwdriver, which is very neat. I like it very much. And these are the little things I'm telling you about. They come with different sizes, 0.2 millimeters, 0.3, 0.4, and what the other one down here? Okay, put that aside. And this is the thermal padding that you're going to put right here on the heat plate onto your ROG Ally to keep it very cool. And it's very, very thick. I like this very much. See how thick it is? This bad boy is very thick. And right here is a strap that I'm going to put on the back right here on the kickstand. You just slide it on. It's got this groove right here on the top and the groove on the bottom, just like you put on your Apple Watch band, and you can use this band to connect your power brick to keep it in place while you're playing, which is very cool stuff. So okay, let me just go ahead and install this on the back of the ROG Ally. Okay, so we finally got the back plate off the Asus ROG Ally, and you can look right here in the back. This is what we're going to remove to get the triggers off, to put it on the handheld DIY. And you can see for the difference on the inside, you can see that this one right here got more vents for cooling the Asus ROG Ally compared with the standard back plate that comes with it. Do you see with the Asus ROG Ally where it's got these limited holes right here for venting, and it doesn't got the centerpiece to cool it? This is just the back plate of the Asus ROG Ally. Now, with this one right here, you can see you got more vents, so you should get way better cooling from this device. And also, right here in the middle, you're going to put the thermal paste right here. They're going to provide extra cooling. As you can see, this is pretty cool. Extra cooling right here. So you're going to go ahead and do that. And if you want me to show you how to install a 2230 SSD or a 2280 on the Asus ROG Ally, leave a comment and let me know if you want me to do it or not. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this backplate onto the Asus ROG Ally. First, you gotta get these screws off right here. One on the left, one on the right. We've got these clips right here that we're gonna have to squeeze these clips to push out the back triggers right here. I mean the bumper, whatever you want to call this right here. Alright, let's go. Next, I'm going to take off the left trigger and the right trigger off the back plate of the Asus ROG Ally. So we're going to get these screws off right here, and then we're going to put it on the new back plate for the Asus ROG Ally. As you can see on my table, this is the M1 and the M2. That was the back of the Asus ROG Ally, and this is the RT and LT triggers. Now let's go ahead and slap them onto this bad boy right here. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Next, I'm going to put this thick thermal padding on top of it right here. Hopefully it can close, because this thing is very, very thick. Look at it. This is very thick. Oh, this is a thick one right here. Right here in the, try to see if I can get it centered. And this thing breaks easy. Oh man, it sure is thick. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna slide it on a little bit more, at least. Try to get it as centered as possible. All right, so now let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Whew. Well, so far it goes on, so it doesn't matter. I'll see if it snaps. You hear the snaps? All right, that sounds good so far. Sounds pretty good, and it feels really good too. Now, this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna screw this bad boy up and see if the triggers work, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, let's get this show on the road. One thing I like about it, if you want, you don't have to put the screws on, but this thing is so tight. Look at it. This thing is so tight, you don't even have to put no screws on it if you want, which is pretty awesome. So let me just go ahead and see what happens. So far, that's the finishing product right here. As you can see, it fits nice and easy. These buttons work fine. I don't really use these anyway, so I don't program. I don't really see the need for these, but so I won't know. I believe they will work. Now, what I'm gonna do right now, real quick, I'm gonna fire up Spider-Man, my Morales, which I already did. So, because you gotta remember, you gotta take the trigger off the original backplate. I take the trigger off and put it on here, which is very simple. So let's go ahead and see if the triggers work. All right, so I got the game up. I'm gonna do this. So they work so far. Let's try. Let me try swinging. That works. Yep, the triggers work perfectly fine. Yep, so this bad boy really worked fine. Now what I'm gonna do next, I got my power bank right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the straps on that comes with it. It's just like putting on a Apple Watch band. Very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can fit my power bank that I have right here. Now I got it on. Let's go ahead and put my power bank right on here. Boom, yeah, all right, see? It holds the power bank in place. So I think you may need a skin. This one is pretty wide. The U green 100 watt, this one's pretty wide. But I think I get if a skinnier one, it will look more appealing. But the good thing is you can use this bad boy, connect the cables right here, charge while you play. Decent stuff. I like it. This is a very great back. This is a very awesome back plate by this company here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in. And if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe and like and share. And leave a comment. Let me know what you want. If you like to see me do the SSD upgrade, and tell me what you think about this case right here by Handheld DIY. Cool stuff. Thanks for tuning in.